Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make bricks in Blender. We'll begin by adding a simple cube to your scene. Next, we'll adjust its dimensions to mimic a real-world brick, perhaps 6 units long, 2 units wide, and 2 units high. It's crucial to apply the scale after resizing to maintain consistent transformations throughout your modeling process. This foundational step sets up your base brick for all subsequent detailing and array creation. Now, let's add some realism to our brick. First, apply a bevel modifier to gently round off those sharp edges, making it look less perfect. Then, introduce a subdivision surface modifier to smooth out the geometry, giving it a more natural feel. For subtle imperfections, use a displace modifier with a noise texture, adding a touch of weathered character to your brick's surface. These steps significantly enhance visual authenticity. With our detailed brick ready, let's build a wall efficiently. Employ the array modifier to duplicate your brick along one axis, creating a row. Carefully adjust the offset values to ensure realistic spacing between each brick. Then, add a second array modifier, this time setting it to stack the rows vertically. This powerful combination allows you to construct an entire brick wall from just one meticulously crafted brick in mere moments. Finally, let's give our bricks a convincing appearance with materials and textures. Open the shader editor and create a new material for your brick. Introduce a dedicated brick texture node, which provides excellent control over brick patterns and mortar. Connect this texture to the base color for the overall hue, roughness for surface reflectivity, and even the normal input for subtle bump details. This brings your brick wall to life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.